From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on today's Cash Close. Oh my God, what a rally! Anyways, the name of this video is going to be the Fed's last call for 2014. The high of the day in the S&P came in at 201.020 mid-afternoon. The low came in at 1971 even early. At last, we're 2007 even. We're up 41.9 handles. Whoosh! Total volume, 2.7 million March minis trade and 3,000 big March S&Ps trade in the pit. MOC, you got it. The MIM had it wrong. We had it right. Buy 160 million. I think that's the first buy in a couple of weeks. Now I got a little question for you. Can you say high or low in the S&P? I can. Tomorrow we've got the jobless claims number, we got the PMI flash services number, we got the Philadelphia Fed survey, we have the leading indicators number, we have the EIA natural gas report, we have a 5 and a 7 year note announcement, a 7-year TIPS announcement, the Fed's balance sheet and money supply, and happy Christmas to you guys. You know, look, I started trying to say, well, wait, first let's hit this. The Federal Reserve today took its first steps toward raising rates in 2015. While they may not have said that, they're taking the language out of their statement like that. Indicates something to come. Now, you know, is that going to be today or tomorrow or next week or month or whatever? I still think we're looking at toward the middle of 2015. But that said, in the middle of 2015. But anyways, I was trying to say that, look, for the last couple of days, if you've been looking at the price action between the crude and the S&P, there'll be these funny little times where the crude will downtick and the S&P goes with it, but then all of a sudden the S&P goes bid. And not all the time is crude going bid with it. Now that happened a little bit today early on, but then crude flunk-a-dunked late and the S&P just traded back up to a new high on the day. I think it just traded to 2010 quarter, and now it's trading like 06, 07. But anyways, like I've been saying, I think CL and ES are trying to detach a little bit, and there's reasons for that, and they're very simple reasons, you guys, and let me explain it. You know, it's more than likely with crude being down the way it has and the stocks being down the way they've been, the mutual funds have more than likely sold a lot of their losers. And now what they've got to do, they've got only X number of days, exactly 10 trading days left in 2014 to start marking their winners up. And I think that's kind of what we're seeing today. We're seeing a little inkling of that. But on the bigger picture, we're seeing a big, gigantic uptick. So that's really what we're looking at. And I really do believe that there are stocks to be marked up going into year end. So we've got 5 trading days till Christmas. We've got 10 trading days till the end of the quarter, or the end of the year. Now look, I got one last thing to say. Bring on the D Squad Witch. Bring on the holiday shortened week, that Christmas holiday week, which is positive, the December Quad Witch that is positive, and then bring on the Santa Claus rally, and then bring on my 2085, 2100 S&P objectives. I never backed down. I stayed with it, right or wrong. That's the way it goes. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the opening print.